Hi, I'm Di Kelly from Simply Organised, and if you're thinking of tackling a few little projects around the house while we're in lockdown, I'm going to be sharing a few of my top tips for storing and organising in your home. Today, I'm going to give you my 3 top tips for making the most of your bedroom drawers. If you like seeing your clothes nicely folded, but you can never get them to look neat or the same size, then you need one of these, a folding board. This rather ugly but handy contraption means you get perfectly folded tops and shirts every time in a few seconds. You can buy them online, but you can make one really easily from a few pieces of sturdy cardboard and some gaffer tape. I have 2, one for t-shirts and a smaller one for kids' tops and vests. My second tip for drawers is to use boxes or dividers like this to help keep your clothes in categories and stored upright inside your drawers. IKEA do a great range called Scub. Just check the dimensions of your drawers before you order anything. Shoe boxes also work really well if you want to use what you have. If your items are larger and not suitable for boxes such as jumpers or hoodies, lining the drawer in something like this kitchen liner from IKEA will really help prevent them from falling over, as it provides a non-slip base for them to sit on. My final tip today is for storing smaller pieces of jewellery in your drawer, especially if you have a drawer that is quite shallow and not deep enough for anything else. Being able to pull the drawer right out means you can see everything at once, rather than having to rummage through multiple boxes where things can easily get missed or lost. Again, use open boxes to store things in categories. Aside from one shallow box from Muji, all of my bracelet and earrings are stored in recycled perfume and gift boxes. Those are my 3 top tips for making the most of your bedroom drawers. I hope you found them useful. Look out for my next video in a couple of weeks' time with more top tips for around your home. Thanks for watching.